Sneezing. Sneezing is a sudden occurrence that is set off when the sensory nerves signal the presence of foreign particles. Sneezing can create difficulties, even serious ones, if it occurs on a dive. In the first phase, the airways are closed and the intrapulmonary pressure increases while the nose is completely blocked by mucus. As soon as the pressure in the airways becomes sufficiently high, there is a sudden muscular spasm that makes you expel the obstruction violently. At the same time as you sneeze, the eyes will close as a reflex action. Also, in the case of sneezing, controlling the depth and holding your second stage in your mouth with one hand are essential techniques. Don't try to hold back the sneeze by pinching your nostrils, because the mucus, instead of being forced out, could be pushed inside the sinuses and the eustachian tubes, with the risk of these orifices becoming blocked and causing serious difficulties on ascent. During the sneeze, leave the nose free and do not hold the mask pressed against your face. In this way, the mucus expelled by the air can come out without obstruction, thus freeing the airways. Once the sneeze has finished, apply the technique for clearing a flooded mask that you learned on the PSS Open Water Diver course.